Let me try it in this dress and see if you can see any difference. There's not any back fat or any rolls at the back. It's so flawless. Several times. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I am going to share with you this bra that I bought. It's actually an open bust bra. As the hair in this video is from Samuel, just in case you're interested, I'll link it in the description box down below. Okay, so guys, I was in a lingerie shop yesterday and then I came across this bra right here. It's like an open bust bra, like this. And then I was just so curious, like, why would someone buy this type of bra? And then there were two guys in that shop, a lady and a gentleman. So the gentleman told me this bra is like a push-up bra, and then the lady told me it's used to hide your back fat because of this, you know, this band, big band at the back. So I was just so curious, like, why would I buy this type of bra, this one, the open bust bra, when you can buy this? Because for this, it's actually padded as well, so it will act as a push-up bra, and then it has this band, so the band is also big. Like, there's no difference between this, like how this will work and this one. But then why would I buy this when it is open? Because I have to wear this with another bra. So guys, I want to try it on and have your honest opinion if you will buy this bra, if you think it works. Yeah, like I just want your honest opinion. Like in that shop, they don't allow a skin contact with their products, so I had to try it on my top, and then I just loved it. But then I bought it. I bought it not because I really was thinking of wearing it again, but then I was just curious how it really would work and how it will look on me. And I bought it at 1500 shillings, that is $15. So I have a bra here. It's just a padded bra, it's not a push-up bra, and I want to try this with this bra, this with this, and see if I will see any difference. And also I want to see your honest opinion if you will see any difference. And I also want to try with this one so that I see which one I would prefer. You don't need to think, jump into me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kid, drag on for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. It actually works like a push-up bra, like you can see. Yes, it does work like a push-up bra. Wow. Okay, so the guy was right. And then for the back, yeah, it also acts like it actually hides the back fat. Ooh, guys, I really love this. Wow. So guys, I love it. I love the way it feels. I love the way it holds my, you know, back fat. Actually, the band is super strong. The band is strong. So I think now with this type of open bust bra, you can wear it with a bra that has a slim band. Okay, like on if you watch my previous video on how you can hide your back fat, or how you can prevent yourself from having a back fat, I told you on that video you can wear a bra with a bigger band. So yeah, so you can wear this, and in case you have a bra with that slim band, you can as well wear it with this open bust bra. When you Google about open bust bra, the kind of bras that you find there are just not advertise friendly, because they just look like something you wear in the bedroom at night. I actually was trying to find a link for this this bra, but they were nowhere. The type of bra I got, they're just like, yeah. So guys, let me try it in this dress and see if you can see any difference. So that is the before, and you can see, oh, okay. Oh my god. Every time, look at that. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm there. So guys, this is the after, and you can see the difference. Like, it's actually a push-up bra. And then at the back, there's actually no back fat or any rolls. There's not any back fat or any rolls at the back. It's so flawless, and it's also you know, a push-up bra. I actually love it. I love it. Ooh. But then you have two bras. Like, you have two bras. You have two bras. So, ooh, you guys. There's this open bath body shaper, and it also acts as a push-up bra, and then it smooths out everything. So I want also to compare this body shaper with this bra. So guys, in this I've worn the open bath shapewear, and it's not really doing so much right here, but it's doing something. It's kind of pushing everything up. This is with the shapewear, and here it is. You can see it.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different.
And then the back.
But you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without.
The back as well, it's not that bad. So it's actually doing something. But then with the open bust bra, the bust is really pushed up, and then the fat is tucked in. So guys, this is with the bra, and you can see it has worked. It has pushed everything up, and then there's no fat at the back. The band is so big, so you won't see any rolls at all. And then it's not like I'm trying to defend the open bust bra. Of course, I actually didn't like it at first, but then I realized with this bra, it has actually just pushed here, like it actually has a pad right here, so it has only pushed here. But then with the other open bust bra, it has pushed this side like this and here. So you have something like that. So this is the bra. This is the bra that I had worn at first. You can see it's just padded, nothing much. And then the band is slim. I love the open bust bra. But then the fact that I have to wear two bras. And then maybe if you want to wear again with a body shaper, that would be just like, I can't say I want to wear it. Of course I bought it, I'm going to wear it. Yeah, and I love it. So I just want your honest opinion in the comment section down below, and what you think, if you prefer wearing this bra or the open back bra.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still every time.
Yeah, so guys, that was it for today. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
You know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than with.